Yeah, this Yamu and Enumray, Yebedi, Kumasi Asante Kotoko home come alive on Porcupine Stand with Selber, Sunday's edition. Yeah, how far we can go. Yebra na yape baby na yada. Yakope baby yada. Na bibi etimi. Akoso kama. Oba, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Asante Kotoko home sem more. Ewo ahase a meyɛ ho adwuma de ama mo na bibia atimi akɔ n'anim wano. Well, and Asante Kotoko friendly game against Kumasi Holy Boys. A winning by 2-0. We'll come to that issue later. So later. But me sure say munyina munim the entire Enra Kotoko trend. And me sure say every news around Asante Kotoko is already known to all of us. Enya afi ni de ebe koyechi abebo nchiremu na de aba besi ne. Enyina enim dada. And obi o hwe video ne ma update na ye ba beto update no so. A whole day of a lot of interaction to get to the bottom of issues. But when we koda no. The a Ghana Week DC select side. A boy against DC United. Omo lower side. Nenyo moment lower side. Ghana Week DC select side. And the lower side of DC United, a boy. Now official team sheet waha. Good. Jersey number 16, Mohamed Kamara. Ena ni din sheho. Ni date of birth. Eso etatwo. 16th March 2000. Ena omachro. No anya captain. Jersey number 5, defender. Justice Blay. 5th March 1992. So Blay was 33 years, according to this document, or 33 years. 5th March 1992. Near Justice Blay, 33 years. Good. On an air captain. Now, Jersey number 6, defender. Samba Onel Ndongani. On also 2nd February 2000. And he was Samba. No, about Jersey number 10, entry Emmanuel. 4th January 2000. And he entry Emmanuel. Emmanuel entry. No, Ashemu Ababehu Jersey number 14. Bafo Che Elvis. Yeah, on the 7th February 1999. Their Canadian. Be anywhere a Kotoko player ding to benya a Bio Charles. Owusu Eric. Roland Apia. Daniel Obuo. Gideon Hooks. Isaac Sa Kodie. Prempe Achimai. Mankwetia Davis. Owusu. Al-Hassan. Benny Al-Hassan. Hafiz Ibrahim. Gregory. Owusu. Na ewumsa Van Dyke. Jew. Omunyina Abobi. Emma DC. Amenka Diniye. Ghana Week DC select side. And then their course. Game in the bar you know. Na asan DC select side Asher by 2-1. Good. Say now coaches in it here. Name of coaches, Dr. Prosper Ogum. Ono na ni din hye so ono ye coach. Ono pe ene ye twiro ni din. Prosper Dr. Ogum. The official team sheet no. Ena kuramia mabobobo so kama edi amount. The Ogum etina bench. Ema DC select side. To ajini suit kama. Bono abwamiemu. Ena olidi team no. Amomobo against DC United lower side. And Omoje Cup, no? Yes, they won the trophy. Yes, they won the trophy by 2-1. Yes, and no any they could pay more. A lot and a lot of key personalities. Ghana for the koi. Ghana for the koi. I'm sure say I was even speaking to some people. It turns out say Kenya this whole visa issues about maybe a Ghana for na nkebe match will even be more than a no more koi and still a bit free Virginia. A more around, yes. Me and my good friend Adams, I don't know stadium. I was sending whilst the game was ongoing. When it's on my channel, I send them a text. Was oh, but boys in a bobo pa, almost almost bobo pa 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 maniaje pa. And audio. Adams send them me. Let me see. He said I saw Ewa Hakrana. So DC United for an team near bobo. Which I'm Adams na send them a voice. I know stadium. I send them a pictures be I know stadium man. On any family ni nyina. Ko nti na Ghana for no koy. E ko hair ball na Prosper Harrisonado na wenya Edmond Aka, Willie Bossman. These were all people from the FA. And almost so ewo venue hobenya eya kwesi agema. Ghana Tourism Authority. Penyini wo ho. And also ewa around them nyina. Eteche no Ghana for no call pa. Former Asante Kotoko players a call here. And the team Kotoko Kucha pictures a lot. They went there. Now, who share Kotoko statement woman the buyer and a weekend edition to ye trim. Omo the bar said team no be free on the 13th, which is in there. Truly. And a team no esikwanso. Our mobile it is expected say ochina no pa na ọma ba bedru Ghana. Ochina no pa the team Kotoko ba bedru Ghana. Nti omugbo wie no players no plus the technical team Ogun Oklu Najao Isa Ohiribrenya, these are personalities from Kotoko omu nyina ever back to Ghana. I heard my name so ochina no pa ọma bedru. Players no ọmọ ball ni nyina eba. Two-tier list na me boa me catch say Kamara ne die. Kamara is coming back. Yes, Kamara back. Samba, Justice Blay, and now na captain. Entry and which 5 personalities yiba. Plus the 4 technical team members of Asante Kotoko account. Woman nyina ba. Eyen hyehyɛ da hɔ a yɛde mamo. Ɛwɔ yɛn hyehyɛ mu and ɔkyena numre and yɛhwɛ anim sɛ ɔmo bɛba. Now, one aspect of the convo, I'm sure a lot of people want to know is whether any news the bar said the location of the 2 Sudanese players in Samba. Esmat Abdul Al-Hassan Mohammed and Abdul Karim Abdul Rahman Yakub no. Jacob will say Jacob no. Whether you who no. Omuka Kotoko ho na eba anase omonka. Let's just state it emphatically. Say omonka Kotoko na eba no. And we are going to explain it. They've been found, but they are not part of the Kotoko na eba. That is the fact. This has been confirmed to me by our brothers IODC and also by key personalities in the Asante Kotoko system. And now we will have a video be a cancer one. Nsentwerɛfoɔ ne nnuanom a wɔn na confirm say yɛhu wɔn location. But na Kotoko company phone confirming. I said that to you. And the na my pick from Kotoko company was that anything that they would say was going to come out in the form of a statement. Emma me chiri mu additional news anamewo. And me can say the boys are yet to return to the hotel to be part of the Kotoko team. No mom nyam beka. And that is still the same. Oma mama beka ho. Ebra Kotoko every US e di abagana. Ti omo de Kotoko ni omo kuna koye, but Kotoko ni omo amba. I'm going to explain what happened. The entire they were found and they are not part of the team. I will explain everything, but it is not a positive news for the brand Kotoko. And even for the organizers of this event. I say, Yaka brand Kotoko, but the organizers of this event, no. Adeɛ we betumi aha omo pa. The reason I'm saying that is because last year omo organize and media menya visas for 14 players, but eventually omo call. And this year omo san organize. Okay. And last year organization it was between Ghana Football Association. And today media me league na call represent Ghana. We call the Oman Democracy Cup. This time around, the organizers are a step further to elevate the discussion and the value of this trip by introducing a key aspect of Ghana's governance, which is the legislators, the parliament. Nom de omo backing about the competition to raise the value of this trip and this connection are now established between Ghana Tourism Authority, the GFA, and now Parliament about the count. So clearly, the progression of every organizer, the next edition, your plan is to uplift the air project. TBA said this year, if you are the one call last year, the one I call last this year, maybe next year you'll be thinking of two. Next year, you pay 2 teams in call. Maybe I am 2 teams so US. Niambo Ghana US ebia 4-team tournament. You'll be coming up with all these ideas because you have a whole year to brainstorm. Now what page at the end of the course. But if last year, first time media man come players about second time, corner players ni biamba. A US for now on your model and they have the records. They have it. So next time, saying KB organizers ne plan say afi di anim no. Ebi the league winner beko. Ni assemble the Democracy Cup. Ni assemble the winner of the Democracy Cup na ka na 2 teams they are called this year. Ebi next time no kwa organizers no. It might not necessarily be Kotoko na ebi eko. But because of records at this time around tripping, amranti nkra nye Ghana from Sudan for eja to it will affect the organizers. And when I church him, so no Ukrainian said we will come to that explanation. Again, Kotoko, so it will affect them. It will affect Kotoko to a large extent. But an area around there, I think they are starting her, no starting her as born while as I was doing that call. And now someone was trying to explain it to me, said, let's not be quick to think about the negative because one, Emrantian, as at this moment, they are legally, they are within their legal framework or frame right, whatever, to still stay in America. Because you're more 6 months or 3 months visa, a year, omo kra 1 week in Punya de embai. Nti emre no mu de omo da so hom. A omo din try no makoye money, which is what? That is the first thing. So at this moment, nka Kotoko kra koye no ka say players nyina meja bo ho. Bosumo miensa ne beso a me ba be fa bu nyina ba Ghana kra na nka onye mfumso because they still have the visa. Nti ehon ni wu. Nti until service ani be wu. A omo betena abro so no and a bit me awura the records of Asante Kotoko. And even the organizers negatively. But say they have negative publicity, but in the records, legally they can defend themselves until some boys never visas. Now the big question I'm here sure say who bisa. Maybe answer my own yourself. Yes, boys ni ehu omo, mi ama kase ehu omo. Na ye ni ehu omo a. Ultimi emfa omo emba Ghana. Me sure say a question back one. Mumu bebre bebisa. Say na mra ne che. Ye mra and your common sense. Asante Kotoko and report to say ne mranti adwane. Because legally omo ndwane. Asante Kotoko report to say mranti bi a omo hye omo ase a omo de omo aba krumu hon. Omo hu omo they are missing. Listen to it very careful. Any authority bi a Kotoko ye report ko omo ye report said they are missing. And who said the Kotoko statement for the buyer? Asante Kotoko and Kase boys nedwane. Almost say they've reported it to the police. to aid them with investigation because nipa the boy kurum hono womo ehu omo. So the duty of the police is to help you see unipa uhu omo. Not or tam unipa no de abrel. Into study Kotoko statement now, or say missing from camp. The key word is missing. See, this is it. Or say, okay, let me even try and they left the hotel without permission. All effort to locate them, to contact and locate them has not been what? Successful. Into study, almost the players are currently missing from camp. So the duty of the police, the duty of the police is to help you locate them and contact them, not to arrest them and bring them to you. Because I know I can't say legally they are 18 years. And 18, they have the right to take every decision. Unless send the panel below 18 or you're below 18. And at the end of the day, also you can bring the person to you. And again, see the panel. Near beside say, assume si say or no nam waira. Yahoo. Yam found common nipa na yam wow. Na ko nipa na wana wo kasa there bia. Yentimi nche because period no, you are still within your legal frame rights to stay in the country. Yama obosume miensa na nso. Food that so opinion. So after they located the players, it was up to the players to say, we want to go back to the camp of Kotoko. But if the players don't do that or they don't agree to that, two, the players, baby, it was the embassy, which, and I'm kind of say confirmation, and I'm no, a community, but and say the embassy of Sudan. And I'm say they are where they want to be. Maybe I'm sure all you can do is to come back. So now you can tell their family, or should anybody decide say take you Kotokone on. Say they intin I wouldn't this year to quine. No akwa janesi baby I want na. Ubetumi aka say what this year yehu no ha say. Ni yehu no or say omba. Emremu no wuntimi nchekere no. Even say we ne maami mpa odibru 18 pa wuntimi nchekere say kwa ha na bra ha e nipa na na will e no obeye. So now what Kotoko can do is say on the boys no loan. Don't forget these two players need about loan. And Kotoko can terminate the contract of these players if they find clauses in the contract. Everything terminate they can do that. But obi a could do America. I ahwehwe na hu no. A onye na agyen say oba won ten no aba beto akwantu no so aba back to Ghana there. There's all the risk factors involved we can consider and emfa no. So Kotoko is coming to Ghana without these players. And now, Esmat in common no ha adwen kakra. Esmat in common no ha adwen kakra. Once Esmat no onto English, the tip kan Arabic. Yakob nete brofo kakra. So most of the communication as if Yakob no na eba. And Abdul Karim on eba. Or no the other canon as I are representing the two. And a lot of stories will come out. With the entity home, confirm ones that got called by without them. The entity home see why. But the other ones is that they will definitely explain issues to the Asante Kotoko fans. Now in Chechirimu ayeye. TM fancy wa they are coming without them. Now Kotoko ba. Menya sure Kotoko will play this Wednesday. Because Team is expected to get to Ghana on Monday morning. Now team yet they drew Ghana Monday morning. Not Tuesday, Wednesday, also on board game. It can happen. But I don't think it should happen because players are Kotoko de Koyen. Say I say Frederick Asari, the goalkeeper for Asante Kotoko. Our Black Stars camp. Black Stars member on Tuesday, which means that Kotoko will lose the services of Freddy Kasare. Mohamed Kamara swear to Kwanya US. Aba bedru Monday. Also on ball Wednesday. I doubt. Samba Justice Blay are key players of Kotoko. Emmanuel MP a Kotoko key player. Elvis Sheba for a Kotoko key player. And not normally. I say so players in Pono sometimes when you bear 5 or more. Some national assignment. You can even request a match into each other. And in this case, F any movie there. I'm not sure, say, in the coming days, if you're China, if any baby report say, if you are Asante Kotoko Legon Cities near morning Wednesday, it can be possible. Because social media, most of the Kotoko players are in Ghana, or some of them. Say, Fatah Osiedu, Lord Amwa Patrick Esiedu, Henry Ansu, Joseph Ablo, Intim Menu, Michael Che Gamra, Baba Yaya, and I will recover. Saka Dauda Peter Aqua Albertamwa. That means Kotoko can still form a starting 11 to play against Legon Cities, even when they get to Ghana on Monday morning. Into that part, the main I feel say it will not be so good for Kotoko. Say, Wabenduru Monday, the Wednesday na omo the ball so. Me sure say be a F, it be a next week or something. It be a Sunday Kotoko bebo. Maybe the following week, which can be Wednesday, Mama Asante Kotoko about the other game, which is against Legon Cities. As at this point, Legon Cities is still the worst team in the Ghana Premier League. I'm gonna that's Dreams FC akwa ko lose to Aduana. Nti Dreams so sha ase ho a ono so ebre na wanya basaka ehye Karela Nations FC ni Gold Stars ebo 1-1. Bechem United ehye Midiama by 2-0. What it means that Midiama in the last 3 games plus their standard game Omone Lions ball draw, Omone Samates ball draw and Ome lose Bechem United, meaning Ome 2 points out of 9. This was a team when you had 9 points out of 9 in the first 3. And I say when you had 2 points out of 9 in the last 3. So 11 points. And our Gold Stars and the Nations board running. So Gold Stars were 12 points, Kotoko were 11 second, Midiama were 11 third. And now Brekum Chelsea and Vision a board draw. Only a Carlisle's board draw. So Samuel Boyd were 10 points with Brekum Chelsea. Nations were 10. Hard to folk share Young Apostles by 2-1, which means hard to folk. So about 8 points. So a win for Kotoko in the outstanding game will take Kotoko to 14 points, and that means Kotoko will be 2 points off the second team a world league. Whether the FA will come out with a confirmation say Kotoko game or more a Wednesday or not. But what I think is that the game is most likely to be played on Wednesday because of where I stand. Clearly, team net to Kwanu Abasea. Obama arrested, not the accumulated. For the good news that Baba Yaya is fit. Yes, on say Baba Yaya, MSC Kotoko Chelsea, or MSC Kotoko Young Apostle, or Kotoko Insua Tremai, and also MSC Kotoko game against Accra Lions. So in the last 3 games, now Baba Yaya out because of an injury. But Samba, Etimi Akwakobo in the DC United Celeste side, what it means that now Samba is fit. So what I say. Now, Baba Yaya is fit. Nti nipa aka ne Samuel Tinedu, which enemy beside and for now menya said Tinedu boy. I'm still speaking to a lot of people. Once I could officially I'm publishing lineup for their game. And I was steady at time crack could publish also more friendly match, skip a lot of people. So me sure about China Paddy. Nyanya the actual starting 11 for Asante Kotoko game my boy against a year Kumase what do you call it, Holy Boys. Football association, a football club. Na yenya line up na the Ababe Pro. But the good news that Baba Yaya is back. And if we can Kotoko Samates, yes, Kotoko will play Samates. Samates, na some bo nsu atremane, but nsu ato ama Samates ni nsu atremane mpanimfo etu aheda. So Kotoko will play Samates this weekend. Ewo Obuase Lincoln Sports. And new Adubiase ball Obuase. And pictures if free new Adubiase or game in the buy now to say park no green is say the abapa. I'm sure say Kotoko Samates game we will all enjoy how the Obuasi pitch develop, how the Obuasi pitch grew with time. On Porcupine Stand. So the story of the day is that the Kotoko team is coming back. Nobody picked up an injury, but Abdul Karim, Abdul Rahman, and Esmat Abdul Hamid wɔn nka ho. Na Jacob ne deɛ yɛda n'ase paa. Yɛda n'ase paa. Ɛwɔ hɔ. Bad influence. Ɛsɛ ɔbra pa. Yonkobɔ ne ɛsɛ ɔbra pa. And now Esmat is in the news. But yɛntwɛn mu ɔmo mbra. Na Kotoko nsɛm bi ɔde ba abɛto dwa no yɛn nyinaa yɛtumi atie bi. Ne yɛn ho deɛ ɛkɔ so. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.